In this lecture, we will do a problem on pressure. So the problem is a vacuum gauge is connected to a tank and it reads 30 Pascal. So it reads 30 Pascal. So the vacuum pressure is 30 Pascal. And the atmospheric pressure, that is barometer reading, atmospheric pressure is 755 millimeter mercury. You need to find the absolute pressure in the tank. So you know that this is the atmospheric pressure. This is the absolute pressure, and this is the pressure you are measuring, that is the vacuum pressure. Vacuum pressure measures the pressure below the atmosphere. So you need to calculate the absolute pressure. So atmospheric pressure is given as 755 millimeter mercury, and this is given as 30 Pascal. So both are given in different units. So let us see what is atmospheric pressure in Pascal. That is equal to 755 millimeter mercury. That means the formula for calculating the pressure in Pascal is rho gh. So rho is the mercury here. So 13590 into 9.81 into 755 millimeter. So that is given by 10655.01455. So absolute pressure will be equal to P atmosphere minus 30, that is equal to 10625.01 Newton per meter square. So this is how you calculate the absolute pressure.